Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come on, people, follow me. Let's go in the kitchen where I will be doing for you black snapper Jamaican style. All right, people, welcome to the kitchen. Here are the ingredients that I will be using. So, people, in the pot, I have a quarter cup of coconut oil. People, this give the thing maximum flavor. I will heat the oil until it shimmers. People, to that, I'm going to put in half of my chopped ginger and garlic. Allow this to flavor up the oil, people, because in that, I'm going to add my black snapper. People, you can hear the sizzle. I tell you, this one will be good. Guys, I want the garlic to release all its flavor into my black snapper. Remember, people, subscribe to the channel, like up the thing, and of course, allow this to slightly brown. If ever you're on other social media sites, please remember to hit that like button and follow me at Wim's Kitchen. It's as simple as that. Turn on your post notification for weekly video, and of course, check the information icon for other meals and suggested videos. All right, family and friends, I jump right back into the pot. Boy, this just smells good. I'll just turn this onto the other side and allow this stew to brown slightly. Now, people, the food for thought comes to us today from Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Now, guys, you are a winner. I want to let you know that all the things that you cannot do without the help of God, He will give you the strength to do those things. And of course, you will achieve it for His glory. Now, guys, as you can figure by now, this is a quick meal. So I'm going to add to that some onion, guys. And I want this to fry while the fish is being fried. So people, like me say, I always maximum flavor I go for. So I will turn my fish on the other side. It's simple, guys, flavor while frying. So I let my onion do its thing. Now, guys, I will then add my carrots. And I just want my carrots to cook before I add the other ingredients. Now, guys, as you can see, I get a light brown on either side of the fish. And this is what I am going for. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. A very extra special happy birthday to my student Sanjay, who celebrated his birthday last week. Remember, Wim's love you with all my heart. Family and friends, let's get back to this black snapper. To the pot, I will add 3/4 cups of pumpkin noodle stock. I will add some green peppers to that, people. I'm going to add some tomatoes, the rest of my ginger and garlic, guys. Fresh ginger and garlic always make your meal pop with flavor. Guys, I will take my fish and put it on top of all of these vegetables. I'm going to add to that some powdered season. It's your choice what your powdered season be. I will cover it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, people, after 3 minutes, I will add to that my spinach leaves. I will lay them flat, people, because this is about 1.5 to 2 minutes. I'm going to add to that a tablespoon of butter. Just put it all over my spinach and then add some garlic salt and some black pepper on top of this. Cover it, people. Turn off the stove and allow the heat to cook it for about a minute or two. Please remember to hit that like button and follow me at Wim's Kitchen. And if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so now. Thank you, people. Smash that like, smash that subscribe, leave your comment, and make it Wim's Kitchen week after week. Now, people, see there? Hey, this is goodness at its best, people. The flavor turn up, the look turn up, people. Once again, as usual, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Family and friends, it was my pleasure doing this for you. You can have this with your favorite side, whether mashed potato, some rice, spaghetti, whatever you like. It's really up to you. Black snapper done Jamaican style. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week where I'll have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Remember, Wims love, 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 love you, and I'll see you next week.